In this video, I'm going to show you where to insert your hook when you're crocheting. I always insert my hook at the top of the work into the V. There are a few different V's throughout this work. This is a half double crochet stitch. There's V's in the front of every stitch. And it looks like there's V's to the side. So V's in the front and V's on the side up here. The V that we're working into is at the top of the work. And by V, I mean there are 2 pieces of yarn at the top of every stitch that make the upper V. So I'm going to put my hook right underneath that V. And make sure you go under both pieces of yarn before you yarn over and bring your hook back through. So again, we're inserting our hook underneath the top V. Right here. Here's the upper V. And we're inserting it so these 2 pieces of yarn are above our hook. Upper V. Two pieces of yarn. And now if we look at the stitch we just made, there's a V at the front and there's a V at the top, right behind the loop that's on the hook. So in the next row, these are the V's that you'll be working into. Not the V's on the side, but the V's on the top, right behind our hook here. And so that's what we're doing in this row.